Waste. Mechanical harvesters collect ripe coffee cherries from the plantation rows.
Raw cherries are funneled into a collection bin for initial sorting.
Processed green beans are loaded into large burlap sacks for transport. A logistics vehicle prepares for the loading of the coffee cargo.
Pallets of raw material are positioned inside the shipping container.
The cargo is transported via interstate to the central processing facility. The transport vehicle enters the secure warehouse perimeter.
Internal logistics machinery moves to the docking area for unloading.
The staging area is prepared for the incoming raw material shipment.
Forklift tines engage with the pallets inside the delivery vehicle.
An operator verifies the digital manifest against the physical shipment.
The raw coffee sacks are placed onto a conveyor for the cleaning phase.
A vibratory screen separates oversized debris from the raw green coffee beans.
Magnetic separators remove metallic impurities from the product stream.
Aspiration systems lift dust and light organic matter away from the beans. Technicians use standardized sieve trays to verify bean size distribution. A benchtop moisture analyzer measures the water content of the sample. Quality control staff perform a visual inspection for physical defects. Optical sorters scan individual beans at high speed for color consistency. Precision air nozzles eject discolored beans from the main production line. Premium grade beans are collected for further industrial processing. Defective beans are diverted into a secondary containment for disposal.
Gravity tables separate the beans based on density and weight.
Green coffee beans are gravity-fed into the industrial roasting chamber.
The beans undergo a controlled thermal reaction within the rotating drum.
Roasted beans are discharged into a carousel for rapid air cooling.
Roasted beans are stored in silos to allow for natural degassing.
An operator takes a manual sample to verify the roast profile.
Roasted beans are transported into a high-capacity industrial roller mill.
Heavy-duty steel rollers crush the beans into uniform, coarse grounds.
The ground coffee is checked for particle size and consistency.
Vacuum systems manage fine particles to maintain facility safety standards. A battery of pressurized columns extracts soluble coffee solids using hot water.
Highly concentrated liquid coffee extract flows through the extraction lines. Operators manage the pressure and flow rates within the extraction battery. Industrial heat exchangers rapidly cool the extract to preserve flavor.
The concentrated extract is held in aseptic tanks prior to evaporation.
Evaporators remove water content under vacuum to thicken the coffee extract.
The resulting concentrate achieves a high level of soluble solids.
Vacuum pumps maintain the low-pressure environment required for evaporation. The concentrate is frozen into a solid sheet on a continuous belt. The coffee product is packaged for the consumer's final transport home.
Under vacuum, the frozen granules undergo sublimation to remove moisture. Empty glass jars are aligned on a high-speed conveyor for processing. High-pressure ionized air removes potential particulates from the containers. Mechanical granulators break the frozen coffee into uniform particles.
Precision auger fillers dispense coffee granules into the moving jars.
Induction sealing units apply a hermetic foil barrier to the containers. Automated capping systems secure the jars with torque-controlled lids. Vibratory tables settle the product to ensure accurate fill levels. Mechanical granulators break the frozen coffee into uniform particles.
Rolls of flexible laminate film are fed into the sachet packaging line.
Forming shoulders shape the film into tubes for vertical filling. Pressure-sensitive labels are applied to the containers at high speed.
Automated machinery forms cardboard boxes for sachet distribution.
Sachets are counted and mechanically inserted into primary boxes. Finished jars are gathered and mechanically placed into shipping cases.
Automated case sealers apply industrial tape to the shipping containers.
Robotic systems stack the shipping cases onto standardized pallets.
Stretch wrapping machines secure the pallets for internal warehouse transport. A quality control technician removes a random sample for laboratory analysis.
Vacuum chambers test the hermetic seal of the coffee containers.
The granules are tested for rapid and complete solubility in hot water.
Digital spectrometers verify the color and roast consistency of the granules. Mechanical pressure tests ensure the integrity of sachet heat seals.
Precision moisture balances confirm the final water content of the product.
Automated check weighers verify the net weight of every finished container. Chromatography systems analyze the aromatic compounds of the final extract. Cap density tests ensure the product meets volume and settling standards. Oxygen analyzers measure the headspace gas to ensure product longevity.
Industrial scanners capture pallet data for real-time inventory tracking.
Operators perform manual scans to verify batch numbers and shipping data. Automated systems apply unique batch identifiers to each finished pallet.
Completion of the batch is confirmed within the central management system. Automated diverters route the verified pallets to designated storage zones.
High-speed load cells measure the mass of each container to milligram accuracy.
Ultrasonic sensors verify the integrity of the internal foil seals.
Automatic pneumatic systems divert any container that falls outside of weight specifications.
Inline X-ray systems scan for foreign matter and internal density consistency. Periodic manual torque tests confirm the accuracy of the automated capping machinery.
Automated shuttles engage pallets for transport into high-density storage.
Vertical lifts transport products to the upper tiers of the racking system.
Pallets are stored in deep lanes to maximize warehouse space utilization.
Integrated sensors monitor temperature and humidity within the storage facility.
Safety light curtains protect the perimeter of the automated storage zones.
The inventory system updates in real time as pallets are stored. Operators manage the warehouse workflow through a digital interface.
Redundant server systems maintain the facility's data connectivity.
Handheld devices provide mobile access to stock-level data.
Thermal printers produce the finalized shipping documentation.
The exterior loading dock door is opened for shipment.
A South Asian male logistics operator retrieves a finished pallet for loading.
The empty shipping container is inspected prior to loading.
An East Asian male logistics operator retrieves a finished pallet for loading.
Forklifts transfer the cargo across the industrial dock leveler. The container doors are closed and secured for transport. Hydraulic lift gates facilitate the unloading of heavy pallets.
The transport vehicle arrives at the local retail distribution point.
Manual pallet jacks are used to transfer the cargo into the stockroom. Individual jars are placed on the retail shelves for consumer access.
Shipping cases are organized within the store's receiving area. A customer selects a jar of instant coffee from the shelf.
The finished product is displayed within a modern American retail environment.
Retail boxes containing coffee sachets are available for purchase.
Items are processed through the digital point-of-sale scanner.